How to update the firmware on a Sharp Aquos TV.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we will walk through the steps to update the firmware on your Sharp Aquos TV. This is an important process as it allows your TV to stay updated with the latest features and improvements. So, let's get started.
What is firmware and why should I update it?
Firmware is essentially the software that powers your TV. It controls how your TV interacts with different devices, and updates can include improvements, bug fixes, or new features. You should update your firmware to ensure your TV functions at its best, can connect with the latest devices and services, and remain secure from any potential threats. It's recommended to check for updates regularly.
Preparing for the update.
Before we start, make sure your Sharp Aquos TV is connected to the internet. This is essential for downloading the latest firmware. Next, confirm that your TV has enough free storage space. Firmware updates can take up some space, so you may need to delete unnecessary apps or data if you find your TV is running out of storage.
Checking for a firmware update.
To check for a firmware update on your Sharp Aquos TV, 1. Grab your remote and press the menu button. 2. Navigate to the Setup option. 3. Scroll down and select Software Update. Your TV will now check for available firmware updates.
Performing the update.
If an update is available, select Update or Yes to start the process. Do not turn off your TV or disconnect it from the internet while the update is in progress. This can cause issues with your TV's functionality. After the update is complete, your TV will likely restart to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Sharp Aquos TV's firmware. Keeping your TV's firmware up to date ensures that you have the best and safest viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.